Hey Internet, so today's LinkedIn tutorial is how to add a stranger on LinkedIn. So if you go to your network, it will have the recommendations for who you might know or might not know. In this case, we'll just right click and pick this person. So you got this connect button, right? So this guy is a total stranger, but say like since we're both in engineering, he's doing additives, so that's 3D printing. Um, so maybe we can have like a common interest. So if you go connect and then there's an add note. So I already pre-written this, so I'm just going to copy and paste my message. So if you just and I should probably just like fix up any spelling mistakes. Oh yeah. So when you're writing a message, it's always good to have your punctuation and spelling correct. So yep. Um, I just put it. I just wrote. We share some mutual connections as we do. I'm studying mechanical engineering, so maybe introduce yourself or what you're doing. So I have an interest in 3D printing because he's a 3D printing engineer. So you could say if you can add me or like add you, that'd be much appreciated. And then like maybe state your intentions of why you wanna them to be a connection, and then just end it like kind regards and then your name. So that looks to be okay. Okay, and sent. And there you have it. That's how you add a stranger on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment. Until next time, have a great day, and see ya.